I have surrendered myself to the filmmakers, to the directors, and even choreographers in a way. I have never said कि मुझे यही चाहिए because मैं इसके साथ comfortable हूँ और कि यही मुझे चाहिए वो चाहिए that kind of thing.
The audience has to watch it not because it's Anil and Anurag playing, but because it's just they're going to get attached to the two characters that they're playing in the film, and they're going to go on a wild journey with those two characters. And I think that's what I've tried to sort of like do.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'm thrilled to be chatting with Anil Kapoor and Vikramaditya Motwani for their upcoming Netflix film AK vs. AK. Hello, how are you two?
Very good, Rashita.
Very good, very good. How are you?
I'm good too. So I watched the film and of course I knew when I watched the trailer that it's going to be something new that Bollywood hasn't seen before and it just proved out to be like that. You tell me the response, the kind of messages, responses, tweets that the film is getting already. The audience is so intrigued. They want to know more. वो जानना चाहते हैं अब क्या होगा ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है so how does it feel so much of hard work is finally people are praising it without even watching the film.
Well, obviously, थोड़ा सा anxiousness ज़्यादा होता है क्योंकि there is that कि हम चाहेंगे कि जितने लोग ज़्यादा देखें और ज़्यादा मैसेजेस आएँ तो थोड़ा सा लालच तो होता है ना तो मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं बहुत आ रहे हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि और मैसेजेस आएँ so that's what all we want कि when you tell a story you want more people to see it.
Yeah, definitely. Vikramaditya sir.
No, the same thing. I think the anticipation is something. एक होता है कि there's a. I mean, when a good trailer goes out there and people like it, the response is always great. But I feel that when a film is something that when people talk about the film, I think that's what I'm actually waiting for. So I'm a little nervous. Anticipation is actually increased a little bit more. So I'm going to wait till the 24th onwards and then and then comment on that.
Okay. And Anil sir, talking about you, you have played so many characters over the years, all different from each other. But in this film, you actually play yourself as Anil Kapoor. So was it challenging at any point?
Yeah, it's always challenging because you're playing Anil Kapoor, but actually I'm playing the character of Anil Kapoor. So it becomes even more challenging because then you have to make it interesting, you have to make it engaging, and most important, I have to satisfy my director, who is very difficult to satisfy. So it definitely was very, very challenging. So you work extra hard, you put more mind to it, you put more thought to it, and when you come on the set, you come as a kind of a clay or an blotting paper, so you absorb whatever you get from people around you, the entire team, and use it. And when I say clay, so if there are times when I feel that I can be molded by anybody and especially by the filmmaker and the director. I love because I always believe that you come as clay on the set and let the director mold you the way he wants to mold you. So that is one of the reasons that people call me that I've done different roles in my films because somewhere I have surrendered myself to the filmmakers, to the directors, and even choreographers in a way. I have never said कि मुझे यही चाहिए because मैं इसके साथ comfortable हूँ और कि यही मुझे चाहिए वो चाहिए that kind of thing. So मैंने what I try to do is imbibe their personalities. Sometimes कभी-कभी मुझे ऐसा हो जाता है कि यार ये डायलॉग कैसे बोलना चाहिए मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं तो ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ how do I make it sound different? So there are certain directors who are actors themselves, and who speak render and they know the pitching better. I feel know better than me कि how to do that scene. तो मैं बोला यार करके बताओ यार. So मुझे उसमें कोई शर्म नहीं है मैं पूछता हूँ आप करके बताओ. So I will watch them and I will try to so many times I have mimicked them exactly the way they speak those lines or render those lines. So different filmmakers. So when you surrender, you take the best out of them and try to give your best. and let them shape you. And then you look different from every film. You know कि यार
Yeah,
ये
of
रोल
course.
यार ये रोल में तो बिल्कुल अलग था, अभी उनको पता ही नहीं कि मैंने उस फिल्म में के विश्वनाथ को कॉपी किया, अरे ये रोल में कैसा था यार, मैं इस रोल में ने इस डायरेक्टर को कॉपी किया टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, एंड उनकी पर्सनालिटी लेके मैंने अपने अंदर डाली और साथ सो दैट आई कैन प्रोजेक्ट दैट ऑन स्क्रीन. सो उसमें मुझे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है बनस्पत के मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली the way I'm trying to project, I think there'll be little stagnancy and people will get bored the way I perform and the way I look and the way I project myself. So that's what I've consistently tried to do.
Okay, yeah, that's great. And Vikram sir, as of course Anil sir mentioned that he is a director's actor. But for you, how was it directing him and of course another AK in the film? Because at the trailer launch you said that I have had a mad ride doing that and I lost 10 kgs because of the eco clashes and everything. So yeah.
You know, it's been. I think I've had the most fun, and I'm not saying this because Anil sir is sitting here. I've had the most fun directing him because what you get out of Anil sir is so much more than what's on the page. You know, even if you've got a screen which you think is perfect, the way he elevates it into to the next level, I think is terrific. He brings so many years of experience but also magic to the work. And you know that he catches a sur of the character and sur of the script which you really really want. You know, I think there is there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of he balances the energy and the realism and the commercial aspect, and yet that heart of an actor that every performance needs. I think what Anil sir does on that is just terrific. So I've had a blast. I think he made us he made us rehearse extra before we started shooting. We had to push the shoot by a week. So my instinctive reaction is, "Arey, push shoot by a week," but best decision ever. Because we really got to sit and work on the stuff. I had so much more clarity when I went into it. So yeah, I mean, with Anil sir, it's been amazing. Anurag also. Anurag बोलेगा कि मैं एक्टर नहीं, एक्टिंग पसंद नहीं आता, वो उसको एक्टिंग बहुत पसंद आता है. वो he's always acting. He's acting all the time actually. More
आज हम लोग उसको expose कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, आज नहीं है नहीं तो expose कर सकते हैं. He's a big actor.
Yeah.
He's always acting. He's a big drama queen. But he's also, I mean, at his very heart, he's a terrific actor. He's actually a really terrific actor. Very genuine performer. So it was very easy for me. I mean, once you've done the hard work on the writing and once you've done the hard work in the rehearsals, really shooting for me, this was very, very easy because I just had to let the actors, do their thing. And I would sit behind the monitor and just keep laughing because it was just so much fun watching them do their thing.
Yeah, I completely actually agree with you because when I watched the film, I was constantly smiling and laughing because the pot shots that both of them were taking at each other, it was honestly very nice to look at. And then, of course, the story was great. But Anil sir, I want to know from you that, on screen we saw what you share with Anurag sir, but, how is the bond off screen?
The bond on screen or off screen?
Off screen.
Off screen, off
You
screen.
see, we and Anurag go a very long way, and we know each other since because he, first I was introduced to him because I was fortunate and had the honor of giving the clap for his first film called Panch. Then we were supposed to make a film called Alvin College, which unfortunately didn't happen. And then because I was so sure about his talent, because after watching Panch, that we felt that he would be the best person to adapt the Nayak into Hindi. So he wrote the dialogues. And what happens is when a film is made in a certain language, how do you adapt it and elevate it even more? And that's what Anurag did in Nayak. And नायक को कितने साल हो गए हैं, आज तक लोग उसके सीन्स, उसके डायलॉग्स याद करते हैं. और and of course, when it's there on the paper, it becomes easier for us to perform also. Like the famous scene between me and Amrish ji, the interview where I take a decision of becoming the chief minister for one day.
Yeah.
It's so beautifully written, not only for me and Amrish Puri, also even for Saurabh Shukla and all the actors and the way it was done. And of course, Shankar is a genius, the way he, directed all of us. So that relationship is always there. And after that, it took us so many years to come back and work together. And I think AK versus AK was just the best film and the perfect film for us to come together, and hopefully you'll see a lot of more work that all three of us will do or individual will do, and I'm looking forward to that. And it was a pleasure, as Vikram says, that he's just doing drama. He's a terrific actor, and there are certain terrific actors, but they don't have the presence. His presence is magical on screen. You see, एक काफ़ी एक्टर्स होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे एक्टर्स होते हैं, मगर वो स्क्रीन पर ट्रांसलेट नहीं करते हैं. तो बोलते हैं यार बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, बट उसको स्क्रीन पर देखो तो मज़ा नहीं आता. सो ही इज़ he has not only a terrific presence where the physicality is concerned, but his voice also has a lot of presence. His voice has a lot of gravitas. So when you hear his voice, there is it holds. So it's very important. These are very, very important tools for an actor. Your voice, your presence, your eyes, your understanding, your vocabulary, your fluency with the language. He's got all these things. And I have my ears and eyes are always open कि मैं क्या विक्रम से और अनुराग से क्या क्या मैं सीख सकता हूँ. So I have learnt a lot and I've kept it in my storage, and I will use it with the other filmmakers. Yes.
Definitely, yeah. And lastly, I would just like to ask that, as I mentioned earlier, also that this film comes across as something that's a little different, unconventional in Bollywood, and yet has its own strings attached to it. But you tell me, what is your, now that the film's almost releasing in a week, what is your expectations like from the audience?
Look, I've always, and I think that yes, there are layers, and there is this unconventional sort of nature to it. But I've always maintained that, and I always feel, especially in a film like this, is that the audience has to watch it not because it's Anil and Anurag playing, but because it's just they're going to get attached to the two characters that they're playing in the film, and they're going to go on a wild journey with those two characters. And I think that's what I've tried to sort of like do. And I think that whether it's Anil and Anurag playing it, or whether it's just two unknowns playing it, the fact is that I think that the story holds, and I think that's the whole. That's what I want people to sort of like walk out saying they really enjoyed this film because of what was there in the film. And yes, of course, and I'd love the layers for it to work, but I think at a very base, I'm expecting the audience to like this film because it's a really, really funny, entertaining kidnap drama, engaging kidnap drama.
Okay, Anil sir, would you like to add something to that?
No, fine. It was a pleasure speaking to you, and you asked some really good questions, and I'm happy that you asked these questions, and so that I could answer those questions. And we're really happy with this interview.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Means a lot. Okay, good luck. Thank you so much for chatting with me. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Rachita.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.